Welcome to the Orderica POS training videos. In this video, we're going to discuss Customer Relationship Management, or CRM. To get started, select the CRM menu in the bottom left. Here you can create email templates to send to your customers. Let's start by adding a new email template. Press the green Add button in the top left, and you'll be presented with a window to create your template. The Mail Template Editor is very similar to a traditional text editor. You can edit and format the text as well as insert in images. To start, enter in a unique template name at the top of the window. Next, you'll notice 4 tabs. The Home tab is where you will do the bulk of the work, creating the template and formatting it to your liking. The File tab will allow you to do standard file operations, such as save or print. The Insert tab is where you can insert different things such as tables and pictures. The Variables tab is where you can create placeholders for information such as the customer's name or product descriptions for products on their wish list that can later be filled out as the emails are sent out. For example, if we create a very simple template for birthdays, we can create variables for the customer's name. In this case, our variable type will be text, but you can also select image and table if needed. Now let's look at how we would configure the email templates and bind the values to these variables. Click on the Email Sending Criteria submenu on the left, and then click on the green Add button. Start by entering in a name for this criteria. You can also select a subject if you'd like to further organize. Then, under Sending Rule, select either by date or service order completed. If you select by date, you'll have to fill in some extra information. Select the time of day you want the email to be sent. Then select whether you want a static date of your choosing or a specific date pertaining to the customer, such as their birthday or anniversary. You can then select a difference if you like. For example, if you select before and 5 days, then the email will be sent 5 days before the given date. Next on the right, select the target audience and then the template you'll be using. The binding area will then be filled with all of the variables that are in the template, which you can then fill in with the corresponding information. When you're done, press the Preview button in the top right and then select a customer to get an example of what the email would look like for that particular customer. When you're finished, press OK. The last section for CRM is the target audience. This is where you can configure groups of customers that you want to receive certain emails. Click the green Add button to create a new target audience. So in our example for the birthday template, we selected all customers as our audience, but we can narrow down our audience by certain fields if we'd like. For instance, you can create an audience by gender and send a certain email to females only. Or another example is that you can use Source to send an email only to those customers that discovered your company through a show. You can use any of these fields here to create as many target audiences as you need. All 3 of these lists can be configured by using the Add, Edit, and Delete buttons in the top left. You can also use the Export To button in the top right to export these lists to PDFs or Excel files. Well, that concludes our video. If you have any questions, feel free to email us at info@orderica.com or call us to the phone number listed on our website. Thank you for watching.